What up, Blessed Fam? Today we are changing the power steering pressure hose on a 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra. This one happened to have four-wheel drive with a 5.3 engine. And here are all the tools you'll need. I have a few specialty tools. If you have just a regular 5/8, that's what you'll need. I mean, you have to maneuver your way in there. But for me, I use this Shorty with the pivoting head. I have the open-end wrench with the socket attachment on it. And that helps me maneuver into tight spaces. Then I'll take just a 16 millimeter socket and a short extension and slide it down on the end just to give me a little leverage, like a little cheetah bar, because it will be pretty tight. Then on the other end, you'll need an 8 millimeter socket. And last but not least, if you have a pick tool, you can use this pick tool. If not, you can use a flathead screwdriver. Just be careful when you go in there to remove the seals inside of the line when you remove the line. So to loosen this first line, you'll take the 5/8 and go right behind this hose here that makes kind of like the U-turn shape. Right behind that hose, twist it counterclockwise and loosen that line. Also, you'll need a drain pan of some sort. This is my drain pan. As you can see, it gets quite a bit of use. There it is. Once it's completely drained, you disconnect the other end and you're ready to go. Once you pull that bolt out, which is here, you can then pull this liner loose and bring it out and let the fluid continue to run. These are both connected by this attachment here. You can't remove this hose by snapping it out. Like that. Now this one is removed. You can completely remove the main hose you're replacing. It would have been better if I took it from the top, but I don't feel like getting up, so I just wiggled it out from here. Now you'll go back in and remove those two gaskets right there and replace those with the new ones. And that's where the pick tool comes in handy. But if you don't have a pick tool, again, you can use a small head, flathead screwdriver. Now I've got both of the old ones out. I'll go back in with the new ones. And also don't forget the ring seal on the end. And just so you know, put the new ring on the outside, not the inside. You would assume it goes here and seals this, but it doesn't. It goes on the outside. The correct way to do this would be to go from the top under the hood and drop the line down. But in case your mom or dad didn't tell you, I'll tell you. Always return things back the way you found them. This doesn't come with the new line, so you have to take it off the old one, and you're ready to go back in. Now, once everything has been installed, check the connection on the hoses, make sure they're good and tight, not too tight. Fill her up with fluid, and you're done, and done. Peace out.
They call me Mr. Lucky for real, for real. Wipe me down when you see me. Big go zoom when I skate off. Ain't no contradicting this to the moon when I take off. Think I'll be my witness, right? Stand on that business shit. Mr. Lucky for real, for real. They call me Mr. Lucky for real, for real. Wipe me down when you see me. Big go zoom when I skate off.
Lucky for real, for real. For real?
Like for real, for real.